Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my videos. This video picks up where the second to last video left off. I had just finished removing the radiators, the heating radiators. It just jumps right into making that cavity for the refrigerator to recess into, so that it meets up flush with these custom depth cabinets that I have yet to make. Ask questions, hit the like button, subscribe, click the bell, so you don't miss the next video in this series on this extensive, it's a full kitchen remodel. Very, very involved. This isn't quite what I wanted to see. I knew there was only one way this was going to turn out. So this is the original red oak hardwood floor. This is the #1 option that the customers want to have in this kitchen. So we have peel and stick. All right, this is the latest level of flooring. Then this gray color here, that's like a self-leveling adhesive. This here, you can see through there, is a linoleum, and it is on top of what looks like 3/8 inch plywood. So not quite today, but in the near future I will be pulling this plywood up along with this level of flooring and this level of flooring. We're going to see what this hardwood floor looks like. This glue here doesn't really bother me. That'll all come off, no problem. What does concern me a little bit is how many of these nails are going to be there. And even this here doesn't bother me, because that'll all come right off with the drum sander. If this is not salvageable, then I will remove this wood flooring, and you'll have to wait to see what I do.
Right now, I'm going to get some lumber. I want to take some measurements. I got to make a tiny little platform that's going to sit on top of this concrete slab so that the refrigerator can come into here. And I got to frame it all up, relocate a light switch, and run a 20 amp circuit to somewhere right around here in the wall somehow. Because I'm going to have the back of the refrigerator go all the way up to the drywall.
That's good. Black, black, white and red threads. So you have the ground coil up in the back of the box. We'll get that connected to the switch since I move it to a plastic box. Those the power is off. So my wife bought this thing home and I found it in the refrigerator. Rain Total Body Fuel. Carnival candy. It is freaking tasty. And I see all this stuff on here. Electrolytes, so BCAA, aminos. And I don't see anything on here that says caffeine. I just thought it was like a vitamin drink. So I've had about, well, most of it. And I'm getting jittery. Like real weird jittery. Like I'm literally shaking right now. Oh, 300 milligrams of natural caffeine. Hey Google, how many milligrams of caffeine are in a cup of coffee? The standard cup of coffee has 95 milligrams. So basically this is 3 cups of coffee. Well, here it is. It's in its hole. It fits perfect. You're probably wondering, what about the water line? Well, that water line it's very easy to run it from the basement. And I'll put that in a future video. Now, the total distance that this sticks out is right about 20 inches. It's actually 19 inches, not including the handles. So it looks kind of funny just sitting there stuck into the wall. There's going to be a floor-to-ceiling cabinet right here, floor to ceiling. There's going to be a cabinet that goes across all the way over. There's going to be a custom nook type cabinet that goes into this corner. So this is going to be a solid wall here. There'll be cabinets with pull-outs for all sorts of stuff. This window here is going to be a door. The door opens up like this. When I go to do this floor, I can't have this in here. So that sheet of drywall that makes up the back wall, that's coming out. And then this is going to be the porthole to put things in and out. This is how I'm going to be bringing in large cabinets. The double oven is going to be coming in through this hole. This refrigerator will probably be set up in that room for several weeks while the floors are being refinished. A lot of your questions will probably be answered in future videos.